What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Today, another big ICO announcement. LENDEX ICO goes live in 1 day, 22 hours and 52 minutes. So we just got done with the Zook ICO. That was super promising, and I'm really excited for the future of that. And now my number 2 ICO for this year is LENDEX. This year I've said I want to start investing in ICOs, so this is just proof to you guys of me finding ICOs, researching them, sharing them with you, and then investing in them myself to get going to diversify my portfolio in 2018. So let's go ahead and take a look at LENDEX. What is it? Let's head over to their white paper. LENDEX white paper. LENDEX, we are revolution. Some think the arrival of electronic currencies could revolutionize the way we pay for goods and services, in as much the same way as the internet shook up how we access information. That may be true. We feel in the very least it will offer an alternative to the current fiat system. Let's face it, the US dollar has not gone up in value. In fact, years ago, you could buy a lot more with your dollar. So really talking about the price of inflation and how cryptocurrency is the future of currency, which is something I firmly believe in, so that's always something I look for in an ICO, that they also believe in the future of their currency, that it's not just some quick way to make money, but that they believe that their coin could be the future of cryptocurrency. So what is LENDEX? LDX, how does it work? LENDEX has been created by bankers, traders, coders, a team of designers from all over the world, all brought together with one goal in mind: excellence. LDX is a form of digital public money created by complex mathematical computations and validated by millions of computer users. You can store LDX on your computer, drive, smartphone, hardware wallet, or in a cloud-based wallet. Once you own LENDEX, they behave like physical gold coins. They possess value and can be traded like stocks directly on our internal exchange, and eventually they will be on many external exchanges as well. So from what we see here, we see that they are planning to open an internal exchange where their coins can be traded against the value of other cryptocurrency. That's always useful and great for traders. Also, their plans are in the future to expand to external exchanges, farther branching out with their coins. So let's look at the technical specifications. A coin algorithm script, which is done by proof of work, which is like mining, and proof of staking, which is like holding your coins in one of their wallets. Abbreviation of LENDEX is LDX. Proof of work block reward is 2 LENDEX coins. So every time you mine a block, which the block spacing is 1 minute apart, so they have a very fast block time, their block reward is 2 LENDEX coins. Now the total amount of LENDEX coins is 35 million coins. And something I'll say right away, they're only releasing 10 million to be bought during the ICO, meaning that after the ICO, this other 25 million coins will be released through proof of work and proof of stake. So as a mining reward, every block mined will release 2 LENDEX coins to start, and the staking will also release as you hold their coins for longer periods of time. So guys, that's always something to look for in an ICO. Looking at the total amount of coins, there will be 35 million, a very, very low supply compared to a lot of other coins, meaning a higher price per coin. And initially, there will only be about 10 million in circulation, meaning that these coins are going to increase in value very fast. The ICO actually starts at 80 cents, showing already that these coins are having value, and by the end of the ICO, they'll be over $1.20. They're saying hopefully by March, you'll see these coins around $25 a coin, just because of how very useful these coins are and the fact that there aren't that many, so people are going to want them, therefore increasing demand for the coins, therefore increasing the price for the coins. So they're secure, they're decentralized, they're transparent. The minimum stake is 10 days, so it takes 10 days to start staking. The amount of POS is 21.5 million. Why invest in LENDEX during the ICO? So this talks about 2 successful ICOs we've seen. These coins launched for $1 or under $1, and they're saying if you would have bought 1,000 BitConnect coins during the ICO, you would have made $450,000 just seeing that take off. If you would have bought 1,000 DAV coins during this ICO, you would have made $58,000. Now that's buying them at $1 a coin. So if you buy 1,000 LENDEX coins at 80 cents a coin right off the bat, your chances of getting a huge increase in the following months is huge. And you can either use that to do their lending program. I'm probably going to be more focused on the staking program. I really want to get into staking these ICOs ICOs, it's what I'm going to be doing with other ICOs I've invested in, is really earning more coins by staking. Maybe I might put a little bit in the lending platform, but staking and holding the coins and trading the coins, that's where a lot of money is. Of course, they will also have a great lending program as well for people who enjoy the passiveness of lending. So basically, DAVORCOIN launched in October, and we're seeing these coins have already, you know, as of December 30th, these coins are about $58 a coin. I bought DAVORCOINs on January 1st for about like $65 a coin is what I bought them at, and now we've already seen those coins upwards of $140. So imagine you would be holding 1,000 DAVORCOINs. So let's just do the math here on what that would be. So if you have 1,000 coins bought at, you know, 80 cents a coin, you're looking at spending $800, right? But now let's say those 1,000 coins are worth 130. Let's just be conservative here. You would have turned your $800 into 130,000. So that's why I'm really big into ICOs this year, guys, because you can buy coins cheap, a lot of coins cheap, and the prices are guaranteed to go up because, one, the website ICOs that we're investing in are great coins. They've got a lot of promise. They're fast, they're secure, they're backed by good companies. And two, they're very practical. You can stake them and earn that way. You can trade them and earn money, and they also have lending programs where people are going to be earning money. So there's reason to buy these coins. They have a use, and three, they have a very low supply, meaning that they're guaranteed to go up in value as demand increases, and demand will increase because they're practical. So that's why we're talking about LENDEX ICO, guys. It is super, super profitable, and they even mentioned Bitcoin. If you bought Bitcoin as an ICO when it was 0.003 cents, and today it's above 14,000, and if you would have just put $100 in, you would have over $500 million sitting in your wallet. So just showing the power and potential that ICOs have to increase your wealth dramatically just by buying cheap and holding long term. As we scroll down, we see with LENDEX Coin, you have the opportunity to be a part of the adventure from the beginning when the price is still very low. And this is kind of showing the ICO release plan. They're going to release 1.5 million coins at each price point during the ICO release. So every 3 days, the price is going to increase. So if you get in at this 80-cent mark, the next 3 days you've already made profit, 5 cents profit on that. The next 3 days you've made 90 cents. So they're releasing a total of 10 million and basically 1.5 million at each price point, and each price point will last 3 days. So that's a reason to get in early to the LENDEX program, buy cheap, and let's just show the profit that you'll make by the end of the ICO. So if you buy 1,000 coins at 80 cents, you're spending $800. Now, if those 1,000 coins go up to $1.20, you've turned that $800 already into $1,200, meaning that you already have a $400 gain just in the span of a few days. So even if you just stay in for short term, you're still making profit, but I really encourage you to hold these coins long term, because as we look farther, we're gonna see why these coins are gonna increase. So once the initial 10 million coins are sold, you will not be able to buy LENDEX coins on the site anymore. Boom, instant demand problems. People are gonna want the coins. They're not gonna be able to buy them cheap, so you're gonna be able to trade your coins for a much higher price as demand increases. The maximum number of LENDEX coins in existence are 35 million. When the internal exchange is launched, you will see a dramatic increase in the value of the coin. So the initial coin offering will start at 11 a.m. on January 20th. So mark that on your calendars. Set aside some extra cryptocurrency. For that, we'll look at what cryptocurrencies you can invest into the ICO here in a little bit. But be ready for January 20th, guys. It's going to be a big day, another big ICO day. They will sell a total of 10 million coins in small increments over a 21-day period, and a total of 500,000 will be sold each day. So every single day they have a limit, farther increasing the demand, which is always a great sales tactic to drive up the price. So on the very first day, or one of the first 3 days, you want to be a part of getting some of these 500,000 coins. And then the ICO will end on February 3rd. So that's just around the corner, guys. So it's not going to take long for you to see that wealth increase. What happens to the price of the coin after the ICO ends? Once the ICO ends, the coin will already be worth $1.20. We've seen that. Shortly after, about 4 days, we will launch the lending platform, and by then we see that their plan for the lending price is $2 a coin. So boom, if you buy 80 cents, you've already had an 120% increase on your coin when it hits $2. So that's really awesome to see. Approximately 3 weeks later, we will launch the internal exchange, further driving up the price. The coin will be priced similarly to other lending ICOs. So how can you make money as a holder? You can lend it. Automated trading bot earn about about 48% per month. You can trade it. The price fluctuation will allow you to earn profit while trading. Buy low, sell high. We all know that. Mining. If you're into mining, you can start mining LDX coin, and the proof of work for that is 2 LDX coin per block you mine. Staking. Hold the LDX coin a minimum of 110 days to start earning staking interest. So let's go ahead and break that down. The lending program is as follows. You lend a certain amount, and depending on which bracket you fall in, for example, if you lend over $5,010, you'll get the daily volatility rate plus a 0.2%, and it will release after 179 days. Obviously, the more you lend, the faster you get it back. The more you lend, the more reward you have, so that's always good. So we're gonna see a very similar lending program to what we're used to. All right, guys, staking package. Now this is really cool. In order to buy LENDEX coin, you can use either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So for all you Ethereum holders, you're now rejoicing because there's an ICO right now that is going to be accepting Ethereum. So that's newer. Most ICOs are typically only accepting Bitcoin, and that's great for the Bitcoin purists that are holding a lot of extra Bitcoin to invest. But there's a lot of Ethereum purists who are looking for ICOs to invest in. So this is for you guys. If you love Ethereum, you can invest it into this. So you can deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum, you buy the coin on the exchange, download a desktop wallet, start staking the LENDEX coin, and you hold it for 10 days to start earning POS, which is your proof of stake interest. So that's another passive way to do it, and I'm actually really excited for the staking side of this. That's my plan, is to buy a lot of coins, start staking them. Maybe as the coin prices increase, I will take some of the reward from my staking and start investing those coins into the lending platform, start growing that passively. But my main focus with this specific ICO is to start staking these coins. Trading with LENDEX coin. So you're going to be able to buy again with Bitcoin or Ethereum. You're buying their coin and you can trade it, you can buy it, and you can sell it. So buying low, selling high, farther increasing value of your crypto portfolio with smart trading. And then the mining LENDEX coin. Use CPU or GPU to mine LENDEX coin. Download a miner to mine LENDEX coin. Begin mining LENDEX coin LDXT. You can get 2 LDX for each block mined. You can also use the mining pool to earn LDX. So you can mine alone or you can mine in a pool. So that's very awesome. We also see that they have an affiliate program bonus. They have these levels for lending affiliates, and then they also have a reward for ICOs. So now, guys, what I'm really excited to show you is the roadmap. So June 2017, the project started. They've been working for about 6 months getting it ready. July to December, swing trading, arbitrage, platform beta tested. January 6th, the site launched with the countdown clock, starting worldwide advertising campaign. Now, January 20th coming up, the ICO begins. During the ICO from January 20th to February 8th, 10 million LDX coins will be sold, starting at 80 cents to $1.20. February 10th, Ava, the lending bot, will be active. The estimated price of the coin will be $2. March 3rd, the estimated price of the coin is going to be $20 with the release of their internal exchange. March 10th, Block Explorer website to begin staking. So you're going to be able to start staking as of March 10th. On April 7th, we're going to see a Windows wallet. On April 28th, we're going to see the coin listed on CoinMarketCap, further drawing attention from investors worldwide. May 12th, they will release the Linux and Mac desktop wallets. So they do have plans for Windows, Linux, and Mac, supporting all computers. May 26th, LDX coin external exchanges. So by May, in just a few short months, they're going to start listing their coins on external exchanges, further driving up trading prices and increasing the value of the coin. On June 30th, 2018, we see the official mining pool starting. They're going to make improvements to the website. There's going to be an app for Androids. There's going to be an iOS wallet. There's going to be debit card implementation. So we're going to see them having a debit card, a way for you to spend your LDX coins farther, making your coin very valuable, increasing the price of it, because when you have a debit card backing a coin like this, you can start spending that coin in any store that accepts debit cards. And June 30th, 2019, just a year from this date, the estimated price is over $150 per coin. I think it's going to be a lot higher because most ICOs and lending sites like this have a very, very high jump in the coin. So this is their thoughts and their hopefulness, but I think they're definitely going to achieve that sooner. We recognize the significant complexity of blockchain technology and aim to build a solid bug-free system. The LENDEX team works actively on several fronts to ensure that we are building the correct solution that can bring profits to all participants. So definitely cool. I know this video is getting long, guys, but hang with me here. Let's just take a look at what the dashboard is going to look like. So here's the LENDEX coin dashboard. We see that there's an Ethereum wallet, a Bitcoin wallet, an LDX wallet, and a US dollar wallet. All lending is going to be paid out into the US dollar wallet, as well as affiliate bonuses from lending. So that's really cool. We see an awesome countdown here and an overview of the calendar ICO showing the different dates for the different price points. And we see 3 days at the 80 cent, 3 days at the 85 cent, and so on. If we come to the ICO section of the dashboard, we see that this is where you can buy the LDX ICO with either Bitcoin or Ethereum, which is very cool. If we come down to the wallet, this is where you're going to be depositing your cryptocurrency. So here you can click the deposit, where it generates a Bitcoin address showing you that the Bitcoin will come in after one confirmation. And then of course we have the Ethereum wallet as well. The minimum amount for deposit is 0.05 Ethereum, but if you send multiple smaller deposits, as soon as it reaches 0.05 Ethereum, it will deposit. So it generates an Ethereum address for you too. You can send either Bitcoin or Ethereum over from GDAX or COINBASE. Check out both of those exchanges if you're looking for it. I'll put a link to COINBASE down below if you have not yet bought Bitcoin or Ethereum and this will be your first investment. It's a very, very great site to use, very user-friendly for those who are new to cryptocurrency. And then GDAX is an affiliate of COINBASE, and that's a little bit more advanced, but the fees are a lot less with GDAX. So if you're more an intermediate or advanced crypto trader, definitely check out GDAX. So that's how you can deposit your Bitcoin or Ethereum. Of course, we have our exchanges. Welcome to the exchange page, dear customers. The exchange feature is being updated. So we're going to see this exchange page launch very soon. This is where all your transactions are going to be, showing your transactions, whether you're lending, whether you're buying LDX coins, whether you're sending or withdrawing Bitcoin. And then of course settings, and then the affiliate side of things, that is going to show where your affiliate program is. And of course they have a support and ticket page as well. So let's head back to the dashboard, guys. I just want to express how excited I am for this ICO, LENDEX coin, and I hope you are too. I'm really excited to be sharing these ICOs with you going into 2018. This was one of my plans for the year going into 2018, and so I'm glad to be fulfilling my word and showing you these ICOs. So definitely, guys, check out LENDEX coin. I'll put a link down below. Feel free to use my referral link. If you don't feel comfortable using a referral link, that's totally understandable. All you have to do is go to lendexcoin.co. I'm just here to inform you guys of the awesome potential that LENDEX coin is going to offer. So guys, if you did not know, I, for the time being, give away $10 of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment your Litecoin address down below to enter to win. So let's go ahead and see who today's winner is. Guys, we've almost got 900 people on the channel. We're about 115 away from getting 1,000 people subscribed to the channel. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a $50 giveaway, giving $10 of Litecoin away to 5 people who comment on that 1,000 subscriber reward video, and possibly also releasing a Discord chat as well. So today's winner is Daniel Conyar. Agreed, being emotional only leads to creating even worse problems. Stay calm, be patient. Things are already beginning to look better. He's replying to my commentary on last video about the fall of BitConnect and just how I said panic sellers always lose, always sell when you feel the time is right, never panic sell. So thank you so much for your comment, Daniel, and for entering to win today's Litecoin giveaway. Congrats on winning. Here's your Litecoin. Alright, your Litecoin is on its way. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it went a little bit long, but I really wanted to give an in-depth guide to the LENDEX ICO that I'm really excited for and give you some good quality content explaining all the details of that. So if you made it through this video, thanks so much for watching. But just know I'm very, very excited for this LENDEX coin ICO, and I hope you guys are too. Check it out with the link below. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below to enter you to win for tomorrow's Litecoin giveaway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.